Human beings differ from other species on the planet in the respect that human beings are self-conscious. Another major point of difference is that human beings have some of the most intricate and developed methods of communication. Communication is essential for the survival of any race, and it is fundamental not just for the survival, but also for the continued existence. Communication can be defined as the process through which the members of any species or society share ideas, information, feelings, facts, and views with the other members of society. This is the first stage through which the transmission of information takes place, and during this stage, there is the sender whose main task is to generate the message and ensure that the message reaches the receiver through the process of transmission. This is the second stage of the communication, and this stage is just concerned with the message which needs to go through the processes of encoding, transmission, and reception. The third stage of communication is encoding, and during this stage, the message goes through the process of encoding by the sender. This means that the message is encoded symbolically in forms of words, pictures, gestures, or through other important means. This stage refers to the manner in which the encoding of the information takes place. This can also be looked on as a stage which is concerned with the manner in which the information goes through the process of transmission. The medium of communication could be a post, telephone, fax, and many other means. It is important for the senders to choose an appropriate means for proper reception to take place. Decoding is the process through which the receiver converts the message to understand the information which is intended to be communicated. And this stage of decoding and understanding always takes place after encoding. It is followed by the stage of reception. The sixth stage is that of reception, and during this stage, the receiver gets the message and tries to make proper sense of it. The receiver is also the last member which is involved in the chain of encoding, transfer of information, and reception. After the reception stage, the receiver sends across some sort of information which depicts that the information has been received and understood by the receiver. The stage of response and feedback is very important as it depicts whether the processes of encoding and reception have taken place properly or not. This is the last stage, and this stage refers to any sort of disturbance or obstruction which might have taken place throughout the process of communication. For effective communication to take place, it is important for an individual to ensure that no external noise exists in the surrounding environment.